We got another wall kitten. There he is. Oh. Say hi. This is our coffee talk. This is our energy update. It's Jerry. Aww. So I have these cats, these street cats. They live on the roof, and I don't know how long ago it was, like in the fall. One of the kittens fell through the wall. I was doing a live stream when it was happening. I got him out like on live, just broke open the wall to grab the kitten. And he was too tiny. He was way too tiny. So I had to get him help, get him, I don't know, back to his mom, or I guess his mom didn't take him, so the neighbors called that like help service that come and get the cat. Um and last night this little baby, I don't want to make him whine. This little baby fell through the wall, and he's bigger, so I can keep him. So I have to I don't know if he can smell because I put food in front of him and he acts like he can't even smell it. Angela, no, no, not another one. Well, he's so much bigger. I mean, Wally was like a month old. I think this baby is like 2 months old. He has teeth. He has teeth, so he can eat food. He stops being stubborn, but I'm gonna get him some of the kitten's milk anyway. In the meantime, he's already very spoiled. I've only had him for like 12 hours. He's already very spoiled. I was trying to not respond to his all his meows, but just can't help it. It's a baby. It's a baby. He's hungry. I feel bad. He's gonna have to eat wet food with your mouth. There's no mama cat. And he has teeth he can eat. So that's the coffee talk. I don't really have anything to say anyway. I mean, I don't really have anything to say. Kind of depressed. Oh, Angela said it'll just chew him up. Well, I'm hoping that he'll eat some wet food. I have went and got wet food for him, just from the convenience store. But he'll get hungry enough soon. Yeah, thank you. He should be able to eat. But he's a kitten. He's a baby. He's been exploring, which is a good sign. Put him down and he'll explore. He's very curious. Curiosity. So that's good. He's got curiosity. He's exploring. He likes sitting in my lap. He'd prefer to be in my lap, I think, most of the time. This is a very important early days. Trying not to start him on any bad habits. But yeah, I think I'm going to keep him, and if I do, he'll be spoiled. He'll be very spoiled. Angela fed her a cube chicken that she ate, chew it up, but mine was younger. Yeah, I was wondering if I should I don't know, put tuna in a blender or something, like make it smaller. Thank you for the tips. Um, I can't tell if he's just like hyper and like wanting to explore, or if he's just like really looking for mama. Get him a litter box, ripped up newspaper. Yeah, gotta do that. Is another wall kitten. I think I'm gonna keep him. I think his name's Jerry. He just looks like a Jerry. It's just I feel like all cats like come with a name. Like that's just his name. He's a little bewildered right now. He is very cute. He's healthy, he's curious. He looks me right in the eye. It's so funny. It's funny how like kittens, cats and dogs, like they know where the eyes are, even though they're completely different species. Or no, they're not. I mean, we're not, right? But it is so funny. Like other animals in the wild, they don't like look you right in the eye, but like cats and dogs, like from such a young age, look you right in the eye. It's so funny. I just pull this kitten out of the wall and he's just sitting there like just staring at me. Oh, it's Jerry with a J. So, we're actually in God's image. What do you mean cats aren't? We are cat people. I'm a cat. I'm a Lyran cat. I understand a lot of people to be dogs, like Set, Jekyll. Well, okie dokie. I mean, that's it. I've got nothing to say anyway. So, prayers for Jerry. Don't leave any concern troll messages. Those are so annoying. Concern trolls, you're so annoying. Stop. But if you have any tips, words of affirmation, oh, love you too. This is a really good cat. I mean, he just fell through the wall from the roof, but he's a really good, like healthy, active. I mean, he fits right in. All right. Let's say goodbye. We're gonna say goodbye. Say goodbye. Mm. I hate when he does like those desperate meows. Chinny chin chin. Chinny chin chin. Oh, I hope he has green eyes. It'd be cute. Oh yeah, see, he's looking for Mama's teeth, but he has teeth. You can eat. Look at the little tail. Look at this little tail. Yeah, I think he's hungry. I think he's like running around because he's like, I'm freaking hungry. We get hungry enough, right? And eat food. He'll eat his food. He can. He certainly can. Just seems like he can't smell. Like I put this right in front of him, and it's like as if he can't even smell it. So, if you have any tips about that, I'm gonna look some more stuff up and then get some like kitten food and then wet it with warm water and let it soak in. Well, okie dokie, that's that. You're the right kind of people. Love y'all so much. I don't know. I don't have anything to say anyway. Weird day. Yesterday was weird. I just was like depressed. Yeah. All right. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again real soon.